Hi, Gabby. Thanks for your consideration of the Temas para Español B program. I'm going to take you through just a little bit more of a comprehensive walkthrough on how to find this audio. I'm in my SuperSite account, which you should have a username and password for. If you don't, please let me know. I am going to scroll down as I have several Vista Higher Learning books in my account. I'm going to scroll down to Temas, which is our new AP program. Temas para Español B has been heavily modified from Temas 2020. If we click on the orange cover, we will land in the Temas SuperSite. And if we scroll over content, the first thing we'll see here is activities. And this is where you find all of the audio and video for the program. So I'll scroll down a little bit, and then we're taken automatically to Tema 3, La Belleza y la Estética. The audio that I'm going to show you lines up with the IB theme, El Ingenio Humano, and that is found in Contexto 4 in Temas 3. So if we scroll down all the way to the bottom, we'll see two strands focused on the audio. There are first two activities which prep students for what they're going to listen. Then they can listen to the audio. And let me center this a little bit better. They can listen to the audio. The clip is 2.5 minutes long. Their next step is they can listen to that same audio with a video, so with the video behind it. And then they have the en fragmentos, which plays short clips, short segments of that audio piece, and has some questions that accompany those audio pieces. And this is a way that students, can kind of deconstruct and break down the audio to, have it basically in small chunks. And then if we look here, we have a couple other activities as well, and then another en fragmentos. So this is how you'll find the audio. To give you an example, this is of course just one of the pieces of audio in the new program, but I encourage you to contact me with any questions. I can also call you if you'd like me to walk you through it over the phone. But thanks so much for your consideration, and I will be eager to hear your feedback.